Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pack-and-play mosquito net on the market, the Jeep Universal Size Pack-and-Play Mosquito Net Tent in white. If you're a parent looking for reliable protection against mosquitoes and pesky insects while your little one rests or plays, this product is designed just for you. The Jeep Pack-and-Play Mosquito Net Tent offers full coverage and protection. It fits most standard-sized playpens, play yards, and pack-and-plays, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you have a classic playpen or a more modern design, this mosquito net is built to provide a snug fit, thanks to its clever elastic edge design. This means it's quick and easy to attach or remove whenever you need it, saving you time and hassle. One of the standout features of this net is its lightweight yet durable construction. Made from fine mesh material, it creates a breathable barrier that keeps mosquitoes and other insects away without restricting airflow or making your baby feel trapped. This is essential for keeping your child comfortable while ensuring they are safe from bug bites. Another practical aspect is the included storage bag. When the mosquito net is not in use, you can easily fold it up and store it away neatly in the bag, making it perfect for families on the go or for those who want to keep their nursery clutter-free. Whether you're at home, visiting friends, or enjoying outdoor activities like camping, this pack-and-play net provides peace of mind that your baby is protected. The Jeep Universal Size Mosquito Net is also designed to be unisex, fitting well into any nursery decor with its clean white color. It weighs just about 9 grams, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Despite its minimal weight, the net offers ample coverage with product dimensions suitable for most playpens. Safety is paramount, and this product does not require batteries or complicated setups. The simplicity of its design means it's accessible for any caregiver to use effectively. The elastic edge stretches around the playpen frame, ensuring the net stays securely in place while your child is inside. In summary, if you're searching for an easy-to-use, effective, and universally fitting mosquito net for your baby's playpen, the Jeep Universal Size Pack-and-Play Mosquito Net Tent is a fantastic choice. It combines protection, comfort, and convenience all in one product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.